Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'm sharing why you're required to verify your identity in Calilio. Calilio may ask you to verify your identity to ensure the security and legitimacy of your account. Here are some of the main reasons why verification is required. Number 1. To protect your workspace. Identity verification helps prevent unauthorized access. It ensures that only real users, not bots or impersonators, gain access to your workspace and phone numbers. Number 2. To comply with telecom regulations. Phone system providers must follow strict regulations to reduce fraud, spam, and illegal calling activity. Verifying your identity allows Calilio to stay compliant with global communication standards. Number 3. To activate certain features. Some features, such as number purchasing, A2P messaging registration, and porting, required verified ID to confirm the account holder's authenticity. Number 4. To prevent misuse of virtual numbers. Verifying your identity ensures that the numbers assigned to you aren't being used for suspicious or harmful purposes. And finally, number 5. To maintain trust and safety on the platform. It helps Calilio maintain a safe environment for all users by confirming that each account has a legitimate owner. And that's it. If you have any further questions, please head on to the live chat box where our support team is available 24/7 to guide you. Thanks for watching.